early twilight, as early as 2 a.m. Check this out. Phil Holden from Norwich. This video was taken at 2:59 a.m. when he saw the twilight. I don't know if this is astro, nautical, civil twilight, but as you can see, it looked like the sun is getting ready to come up. I have another observation following this one that has narration from 2 a.m. Check this out.
As you can see, it's 2 a.m. on the 25th of June. I am in Inverness, Scotland. Look at that. The sun is rising.
How about that? Inverness, Scotland, which is in northern Scotland. And as you can clearly see, it is almost daylight at 2 o'clock in the morning. I mean, that gives new meaning to astronomical twilight. And going from Scotland to Kelowna, British Columbia, video sent in by Sheldon Connolly. More examples of the super early twilight. Look at that. Sky's blue at 4:06 in this video. And I have another video also from the same gentleman, Sheldon. And it's basically daylight at 4:15 a.m. Video sent in by Sheldon out of British Columbia. Thanks for watching. Have a super day. And be safe out there.